Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. We're back with our house project for residential template using the AutoCAD template. So now we're going to go and look at our roof here that we created, but we're going to do our framing now. I normally would have done this a little differently, so what we're going to do, I'm going to see that the roof in Revit is basically a piece holder. So I want to look at this edit type. You'll see it's just generic. It's just a generic structure. If you look at our edit here, it's just nothing here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how this is really done. So I'm going to cancel out of that. So I'm going to select this roof and we're going to isolate it because we're going to frame it out. Okay, so I'm going to go to my isolate element. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create our roof using a beam system tool here. So here we'll do is we'll go into our beam system, and then in our properties we'll have all our different types, and for a dimension text. So let me see what size that we put in here first of all. We've got this a 12-inch. We'll work with that, but it might not be that thick because of other materials we're going to have in it. So let's get going on this. So we're going to go and do our beam system here. And then we want to set a plane, a work plane. So we hit set, and we'll pick a work plane here. So I'm going to pick that edge right there, that surface right there. And then basically we go into our structure tab under beams. Okay, wait a minute. There we go. We're gonna go system structure. Where is it at? And we got a beam. We want to go to beam system boundary. So here I'm gonna just use the pick line for this. We're gonna pick this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then we're going to clean this up here on the edges with the trim tool. And we do want that direction. Fix that there and there. There and there. And we'll finish it. So what we got here, we got our spaces at 1 foot. I'm going to make this probably 1'6". Okay, we're going to make that 18 inches because, well, depending on where you are in the world, we got snow loads, but I think a 1'6" at a 12-inch rafter should do the trick. And then I'm going to hit the check mark, and there you go. So there's our 2x12s there. And then I'm going to go do the other side here. Same deal. We'll just go in beam system. We can actually mirror this too, but we need to do a set a work plane here. So I'm going to set my work plane. And I'm going to hit pick a plane. Okay. And I'm going to pick that one. And once again, we'll do a beam system. Create boundary, and we can use pick a line again, or we can do this tool. Just go from this corner to that corner. Okay. And we've got our span. Now our span is going to go in this direction. So hit this set span tool, beam direction. We'll hit that one, and then we'll finish it. So now there goes our roof structure. So now this is what I do sometimes here. I'll just take this guy, the actual roof here, and I'll edit type, and I might make this edit here, and I want to preview it. I might just want to go and say I might just say 1 inch here. and that'll be asphalt or something, or whatever you use in your part of the world. I mean, if it ever opens up. Okay, so let's go with roof. And we'll go with asphalt shingle here. And I'm going to make it probably, it's going to be 1 inch or even less than that. Apply. We'll say okay here. So there you go. So that's what you got going on now. So there's our roof. And then we might want to push it up or down a little bit. It's basically up to you what you want to do here. And so now I want to go back, and then we need a ridge on the top. So because we got this going on right here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into my 3D view here, and I'm going to go and just take a beam. And what size? Well, I guess we can go at the 2x12 here, and we could just take it straight down the middle. Go from here to here, and maybe we want to have 3D snapping on. If I can find it here, let's just see how it goes from here to here for now. Okay, there's our ridge. Let me see, where is it placed? Oh, we don't like that. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to fix this. We're going to undo this. Yep, and we're going to clean this up here. So to do that, we would need a reference plane. But for this video, I'm going to probably pick that up later. And I'm going to go now. We want to go and reset our temporary height. So that's how you would do the roof framing here. Pretty simple, straightforward. Just use the beam system tool, and then we go and add our fascias and everything. So let's see here. We're going to take a fascia here. Go to texture, roof. Let's do the fascia board here. Place it there. And go here, place one there, there. We got to clean up the ridge and the edge beams though, but this is how you would do your roof framing. So if anybody wants to focus on the ridge or learn more about it, I'll probably make another video, but that's how you would do our roof. So then here we'll select the roof with these asphalts now. Just select it, tab to it here, and I might want to push it up just a little bit. Okay, so hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to show you how to do our roof framing. So then the next drawing we'll have is our roof framing plan. Where is it? Not a good day for me today. You just can't have those good days, man. You get everything going good and then something messes up the whole day. That's life. So there's our roof framing. This is going to be our roof framing drawing, and we're basically showing 2x12s. And now the good thing about a beam system, we don't have to necessarily go with a 2x12. I don't think you would have that on this in this project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and select the beam tool. And I'm going to change these guys to 2x. They don't have to. I'm going to make these 2x6s, and these as well. They don't have to be that big for the roof. There's no load up there but snow. And hit 2x6. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. So that's our roof frame and how that's going to all work. So hey guys, take care and be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.